Yeah, we have a new series that people have been asking these informal discussions that we have, just sharing, what our experiences has been extremely powerful. It's a unique part of ELE. Some of our folks have been asking, can we do some hands-on labs with some of the new AI technology? So, and Anton, if you could unmute yourself, Anton, and just share a little bit about what you're looking for us to do.
Yeah, here's the idea. There are all these new AI tools out there that enable us in L&D to do new, magical, faster, better things, right? And so we were chatting with Dirk and Nick and a few others, and we said, you know what? Why don't we road test some of these, right? Everybody's heard about them. No one's really gotten their hands dirty yet, really dirty, playing with these, in a group setting and seeing what they can truly do. So the idea behind these labs are to have some structured playtime, to bring in a toy. Let's say it's a micro builder, it could be a simulation example, tool or whatever, and look at how the AI is really powering that. And is it something that we should be using now? Should be waiting on, right? Letting the technology evolve a little more, pros and cons, having some debate. So the idea is really just to educate ourselves on what's coming into the market because it's coming so fast and from all these different directions. Everyone's putting AI in everywhere, right? I'm seeing it with every single vendor that I've spoken to. So that creates a situation where our heads start to spin, and this
Right.
will be focused on helping us. How do we make sense of it and apply it?
Yeah, and so the first one is going to be using AI to build a book. Marty Constant has been running these practical labs, AI labs to build books, and they could be instructional guides, they could be a book, a flip book, they could be books on your subject. So when we go into the lab, Marty will be creating her book on her topic. Each one of us will be following the same prompts, but building the book for us.